Hi guys! Looney Mooney's back.
Daddy.
Yes, with Daddy and
JJ.
Lita. We're back with another review, guys. Today's Lego and it's Lego Avengers. What do we got, JJ?
We got this. So it's a Lego Avengers power set.
Where did Lita go? Look. It's so big it's covering Lita's head. There she is.
So
what is it, JJ?
So this is the Avengers Tower. With the Avengers trying to stop Loki.
That's right.
Because I think in the movie this is the Battle of New York.
Oh wow, okay.
Because it makes more sense.
Yeah, and look at that, it's 4. How old is that?
4
Are you
or
older
5.
Are you older than 4?
I'm older. I'm way older.
What about you? Are you older than 4? Yeah. She reckons she is, but she's not. So yeah, that's pretty good, mate. So these are the things that we are going to build there, right?
So, this is definitely the Battle of New York.
We've got the building here. We've got another vehicle right here as well. So there's a few things to build on this one. It's going to take a while.
It's going to be a little while. I reckon it's going to be easy because it's 4 and I'm way older than that.
Yeah, that's right. Okay, so let's get it open. What do you reckon, guys?
Yeah! No, I don't too noisy.
All right. Sticky tape. Too noisy?
It's not going to be too noisy, Lita. Okay?
You watch. You watch.
You watch. Okay.
You're just going to do it very slowly. Watch this one. How many pieces are in here, do you reckon?
I
How
think.
many pieces? Do one at a time. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Oh,
What's that, Hulk?
yeah, it's Hulk.
And then, is that it? 6 bags? And we've got 1, 2, 3 books. 3 different books of instructions.
Okay, change your plan here. I don't think this is going to be easy for me.
It's going to take a while. It's going to take a while. We've got 3 different books. One of them's quite a big book too. That's a big one. Look at that. The size of that book.
Hold on.
So we'll start bag 1 here. Alright, let's get the pieces out of bag 1.
What's this?
And a little bag in the bag. That's all it does.
Thor and Loki. This is Thor and Loki's cave. Thor and Loki's probably gonna.
And then you'll get rid of JJ. We'll get rid of the rubbish.
Yes.
Ready?
No.
Ready?
Don't do that. I saw another Lego piece in there.
Oh no! I threw away a Lego piece. I better go find that. Alright. What do you see?
Loki's in here.
Loki.
Where's the scepter?
Yeah. Lita's reading this one. Hey, Lita, what are you doing? Which one are you doing?
Lita, we need to wait. Oh, you can have this one. Here's bag 1. This is book 1.
Book 1 for bag 1.
Book 1 for this
Hulk.
Oh. His arm's off. Where's his arm? Where's your arm, little Hulk? This one.
Lita's trying to put Hulk together for us. You know what to do, don't you? Put the arms in there.
This one's go there.
Young Lita is becoming a Lego builder as well. Whoops. Lita building Hulk, and we've got JJ building Loki by the look of it.
Yes. Can you guess what this is?
Is that the scepter?
Yes.
Oh.
The scepter that has the Mind Stone in it. Bum bum.
What are you doing?
Bum bum.
What are you doing, Loki and Hulk?
Bum bum.
Oh, Loki's making Hulk in the bum bum, is he? That's her brother's influence, by the way, YouTubers.
Hey, don't you dare add that into the video.
Oops!
I think I'm done. I'm done with Loki's.
Show me?
I just need to put these guns in.
Ah, so Loki's got a ship and everything. Did you?
Yeah.
A lollipop?
Yeah.
Lisa's made a lollipop out of Loki's scepter. Guess who loves lollipops?
Yep, Lita loves lollipops. Okay, that's mine. Give me that.
This is for Loki, baby. Loki wants a lollipop too.
Loki wants a lollipop, okay? You can make your own lollipop. Ship. Loki, are you happy to have your ship back? Yay! See?
So now it must be time for bag 2.
Yeah, bag 2 time. So this is what I built.
With bag number 2.
Yeah. And I got the Tesseract.
Tesseract, cool.
Goes here.
That's pretty good. So far we got
So,
Lucky.
and in bag 3 we're gonna get Thor.
Bag 3, cool.
My favourite character.
Wow, okay. So bag 3 is right here. Here you go.
Thor! Yeah. No, just the piece. This way.
There you go.
Yeah, Aquaman! He was, look, I'm worthy. Yeah.
It's the hammer, isn't it?
I'm worthy. It's so shiny. 2, 3. Guess what I'm building right now?
So what's that one? Is that you're putting in there now?
I'm putting Loki's jail in there. So Loki can't steal the Tesseract down here.
Okay.
Because in the movie, Loki tries to steal the Tesseract for Thanos. Look at this, guys. We finished the Avengers Tower.
Cool.
So I built Thor. So this is what I built. I built these characters. I built these characters: Loki, Iron Man, Hulk, Thor, and Loki's ship, and the Avengers Tower. But there's one more thing left:
What's that?
Captain Marvel and this ship.
Bag number 4.
The last thing is Captain Marvel and this ship, the Avengers ship.
Cool. All right, we're
Let's
back.
get into it. Sheet 3 has
Good.
Captain Marvel.
Good job, baby.
The Marvel guy. To keep this hair somewhere because she can have this helmet on, or she can have her just normal hair. I like it better with the helmet.
How's Captain Marvel's plane coming along?
Good. I've got some 2 engines on the back. So guys, this is the ship. And this is a weird ship.
Weird ship, why?
Because look at the wings. Boom.
Oh, wow.
You can change direction. It's the Avengers ship.
So it's the Captain Marvel ship, is it?
Nee. Hope about a chip. Hey, that's naughty. Ah. Oh. Catch you, Hulk. Catch you, JJ. But look, Tesseract and the Tesseract's next to Thor because Thor's on his computer trying to figure out how to use the Tesseract. And Iron Man is the food maker because he's a genius. He can make food.
Make food. Oh, so he's escaped.
Yes, and he took the Tesseract because, and he went past door and took the Tesseract, and he got his scepter back.
Wow.
And now, Hulk's asleep guard.
Hulk's asleep as well. Hulk's asleep on the job.
Yeah, guarding the spaceships, and now Loki's getting in and he's going to escape.
Luckily, Iron Man and Captain Marvel are having a look out.
Yeah, they're still awake, but they can't hear Loki, and they can't see him because they're not asleep on their job.
Cool, Jay. What's your rating on this one out of 10, buddy?
10.
10 out of 10 as well? It's a good adding to your collection, isn't it?
Yeah.
What else do you want to tell the YouTubers, guys?
Good Lego.
What do you think, Lita?
Good. See you in the next video. Bye guys.